Want to find your user ID and server ID in Mobile Legends? You'll need these for account recovery, reporting issues, customer service, or transferring your account. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to find them. Let's get started. First, open Mobile Legends on your phone. Wait for the game to fully load into the home screen. Some people call it lobby. Now look at the top left corner of your screen. You will see your profile avatar. Tap on it. This opens your player profile. Right under your profile name, you will see a long number. It looks something like 123456789 1234. The first part is your user ID. The number inside the brackets is your server ID. You can tap on that number, and it will automatically copy both IDs. Now you can paste it anywhere. This is useful when contacting support or recovering your account. And that's it. That's how you find your user ID and server ID in Mobile Legends. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more quick Mobile Legends tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.